الرئيس جنرال برهان شكرا جزيلا على حسن ضيافة. At the outset, I would like to thank His Excellency General Burhan for the warm welcome accorded to me and my delegation since our arrival. It's always a joy for us to be in Khartoum. As you all know, we love Sudan. We love the people of Sudan. The opportunity coming back to Sudan is always a joy for us. And thank you for your invitation. Thank you for your warm hospitality. Mr. President, we have had a very candid discussion with you, with Vice President, with many other political parties. My message for all was a very short and precise. You have a beautiful country. You have a very kind, generous, and brave people. My message for all of you is to prioritize Sudan, to prioritize the people of Sudan, and to draw your own solution for your problem. As you know, political, at the time of turmoil and crisis, requires tolerance and compromises. Mr. President, I count on you. At this critical juncture, you will give a very wise leadership to fulfill the interest of the people of Sudan with compromises, tolerance, and focus. Thank you very much, and God bless you.